But now I'm going to show you something way deeper, something more deeper than what you know already. Okay, so just this impulse and correction can't really help you to be sincere. Hello guys, it's your boy Gab, the lonely step trader. So in this video, I'm going to show you the full package, everything I use, all the confluences I use to enter my trade. Okay, you guys already know how I normally apply the patterns. Okay, so in this video I'll show you everything, every single thing. I'm not going to hide anything. I'm coming as clean. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. So it's time to do this thing and keep the bulls going. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, thank you, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for being around. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I go about my trade. I'm just going to introduce a preamble, okay, of this whole strategy. Okay, as you can see, this is what I have on my screen, but I'm going to take everything out here and reapply them one by one, bit by bit, so you get to know how I use this stuff, what I do, how I analyze, and all of that. Pay attention, guys. This video is going to be a full package. It's going to be like, unlike my other video, this one is going to be a bit longer than my other videos. I have created a playlist specially made for Gap Cable. You guys can go to my video wall, click on my playlist Gap Cable, then you can see all the video there sectioned in episodes, so you can start watching from episode 1 because it's going to convey a lot of information. Okay, so without saying much ado, let's go down to the small time frame. Okay, okay guys, so what's going to happen here is simple. I'm going to delete everything, then I'm going to start all over again. So let's go to daily time frame. All right, so I'll take out everything now. Let me just hide, let me just hide everything. All right, so let me just hide all. Okay, so this is it, or should I take it out? Let me just take it out. Okay, let me take it out. All right, so guys, this is it. This is how my chart usually is. You already know how you already know how we do this thing, right? So we usually come for the impulse and correction. We want to like get the highest, find the impulse correction. You can see this other side, impulse correction and impulse, yeah, is carried. Okay, but now I'm going to show you something way deeper, something more deeper than what you know already. Okay, so just this impulse and correction can't really help you to be sincere. It can help you if you want, but me, it doesn't help me. Just impulse and correction doesn't help me. Okay, so I use more. I apply more into my trading strategy in order to achieve what I have achieved so far in the market. And these things I'm going to show you, so you too can be making milking the market. All right. So what I'm about to show you now is not really new at all in the industry, just that you might have come across it, but maybe you're not paying attention to details, and as a result of that, you've not been able to make anything out of it. So, what I use for my strategy, what I use more, what I add to my strategy is one, I'm going to list them out here. So, I use I use EMAs, I use EMAs, right? I use EMAs, I use stochastic, okay. I use trend lines. I use excuse me, I think I yes, I use trend lines. I use key key levels. I use patterns. Okay. So what this does is this. These EMAs, I use them to confirm my trend. Okay. These EMAs, let me put here EMAs for trend confirmation. For trend confirmation, then stochastic for overbought and oversold. For overbought and oversold areas in the market, trend lines for entry, key levels to detect support and resistance levels. Okay, support and resistance patterns for confirmation. Should I say trend confirmation, right? No, it's not trend confirmation. The pattern is actually used for direction. For direction, this enables me know if the market is going to reverse or is going to continue in its prior trend. Okay, guys. So this is how I use all of these things. Okay. So let me just include the time frames. So H1. Let me start from H4 and daily, right? D1. I use D1 to confirm the highs and lows. Highs and lows. H4 for weekly trend. Okay, weekly trend. I use it to actually check if the market is going to reverse the next week, the following week, or is going to maintain where it is. Okay, H1 for recent trend. M5 for entry. I'm sorry, M15, right? Then M5 for tight entry. For tight entry. So guys, this is it. This is it. This is everything. The EMAs. Let me just paste it on the chat. Okay. So this is it. I'll just keep it here. So EMA is for trend confirmation, stochastic for overbought and oversold areas, trend line for entry. Okay, key level to detect support and resistance regions in the market. Okay, patterns for direction. You get, so patterns is just for direction, guys. So you see, there is more to it. There's more to it. Patterns is just for direction. So I can come here and be like highest, lowest, get the pattern. The pattern will tell me the direction the market is going, because we have patterns. The type of patterns we have are let me say one. We have the reversal patterns. We have the reversal patterns. Okay, we have the neutral patterns. We have the neutral patterns, and we have the continuation patterns. Okay, we have this three set of patterns: the reversal patterns, the neutral patterns, and the continuation patterns. So each time I apply my impulse and correction in the market, I want to know the kind of pattern that is forming. Okay, the kind of pattern that is forming will tell me the direction the market is heading to. All right, so I use it to confirm directions in the market. Are you good? All right, so the trend line, let me put this here. All right, we have these three type of patterns. Guys, look at it on the left. We have the reversal patterns. Let me take this thing off so you don't confuse yourself. All right, so we can be running on a clean chart. All right, so we have the reversal patterns. These patterns tell when the market is reversing. We have the neutral patterns. These patterns tell if the market is going to continue up or down. Most time the neutral patterns are common. They are just there. You can't really tell what direction they are going to eventually head to, because they might break to the upside or the downside. The continuation pattern, these patterns are, whenever you see these patterns, it's guaranteed that the market is going with the trend. Do you get? Just to find out more about this pattern, you can go to babypips.com and do your findings, or you can equally search for it on Google, and you'll get more details about this set of patterns, identify them, and know their function. Okay.